My dear brothers and sisters, there is a danger of choosing between Martha and Mary in the gospel. There is a danger to choose between the two. And maybe one would say, I would rather be Mary, choosing the better part. Or, well, okay lang sa akin kung ako si Martha. I think that is a very dangerous kind of attitude. I don't think the Lord is asking us to choose between the two, but rather the Lord is asking us to combine the two in each and every one of us. Sana sa bawat isa sa atin ay merong Maria na merong panahon upang maupo sa harap ng Diyos, makinig sa Diyos, magsalita. And that is prayer. When we set aside time, like for example, now you are here. Many of you are working. After this Mass, you're going back to your offices. But instead of spending time with your co-workers during lunch break, you come to the cathedral to attend the Mass. That is Mary in you. But, as I have said, after the Mass, many of you are going back to work, doing your duty for which you are paid. That is the Martha in you. Ang gusto kong sabihin ganito, sa bawat isa sa atin, mayroong dapat panahon ng pagdarasal at mayroong panahon ng pagtatrabaho. Kasi kung minsan, puro na lamang tayo trabaho, nakakalimutan na nating magdasal. Dami-daming assignments sa school, nakakalimutan na nating magsimba. Ang dami-daming gawain sa bahay, nakakalimutan na nating gawin yung pagdarasal. Hindi. Sabi nga, some days ago, there is time for everything. Sabi sa first reading, there must be time for everything. Even Saint Benedict, the father of Western monasticism and the founder of the Benedictine order, he taught his monks, ora et labora. Hindi ora o labora, kundi prayer and work. Prayer and work. So let us not just like be Martha, forgetting being Mary, but let us also not be only Mary, forgetting being Martha. Jesus said that Mary has chosen the better part, and it will not be taken from her. Let us choose the better part, but let us also not forget the good one. Let us choose to be Mary, but let us also not forget to be Martha. Amen.